The chart and graph below represent the number of weeks Jan was in a swimming class and the number of seconds Jan was able to hold her breath swimming underwater. So it looks like the more swim classes she went to, the longer she could hold her breath. We need to write an equation of a line of best fit, which is nice because that means we get to do this all in our calculator. So open up your calculator and let's go ahead and put these numbers in. We're going to put them in under Stat, Enter, and let's start typing. I've got 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And I've got 42, 45, 52, 55, 56, and 62. Okay, so here's all my points in, and now I need to ask for the equation. Stat, go over to Calculate, go down to number 4, push Enter. Oh God, that's ugly. All right, let's move you over. All right, so I can see a little better. Oops. Okay, so what is the equation of the line of best fit? All right, let's round to the 10th. Y equals 3 point, let's make that 3.9 x, and let's make this 26.7 plus 26.7. All right, now we have to probably explain this. So in the context of the problem, what does the y-intercept mean? So what they're asking is, in the context of the problem, what does that number mean? That's a bad color choice. So in the context of a problem, what does this number mean? So the y-intercept is always like the starting number. So in this case, the y-intercept, you're stealing the words from the y. It's the number of seconds that she can hold her breath, but it's the number of seconds she can hold her breath when she starts. Okay, so when she starts swim lessons, this is what she starts at. So in the context of the problem, what does that represent? Jan can hold her breath for 26.7 seconds when she starts lessons. Okay, next one. Based on your equation, what is the rate of change? So rate of change is just code word for what is the slope. So the slope is 3.9, or you could round it to 4. What is the rate of change in the number of seconds Jan can hold her breath? So what you're going to do is steal the words. We're going to say, again, we steal the y word first. So it's 3.9 seconds. Jan can hold her breath 3.9 seconds each class. So 3.9 seconds longer each class. And again, I stole these words. I stole the holding her breath seconds words and stole each class words from the chart. Use your equation to predict the number of seconds that she can hold her breath after 12 lessons. Okay, so let's take our equation. Our equation is y equals 3.9x plus 26.7. And let's find what 12 weeks would be. Well, 12 weeks is the x value. Remember, it's a time. It's a measurement of time. So let's put the 12 in for x. Y equals 3.9 times 12 plus 26.7. Let's grab our calc. 3.9 times 12 lessons plus 26.7. She will be, wow, that's a long time. She will be able to hold her breath for 73.5 seconds. 73.5 seconds. That's a long time. Use your equation to predict the number of weeks of swim class Jan will need to attend to build up holding her breath to 95 seconds. Okay, so to be 95 seconds, that means you're going to use your same equation. So y equals 3.9 3.9x plus 26.7. But instead of giving you an x value or a number of weeks, you need to put in the seconds, which is the y. So 95 equals 3.9x plus 26.7. Okay, first step. Let's take 95 and subtract 26.7. 68.3. So 68.3 equals 3.9x. Let's divide both sides by 3.9. So I think she's going to have to go to about 17.5 lessons or weeks of lessons. So let's say about 18 weeks of swim lessons.